Yo guys, it's Thrifting and we are in El Salvador with all the boys from Drop Spot.
Woo!
We got Soul here, we got all the boys. This is gonna go crazy. We're gonna be thrifting, surfing, a bunch of cool shit. So let's have a sick fucking week.
That's what's up, that's what's up.
Honestly, flight wasn't too bad today, feeling good.
We're back with another video. Me and Ealia, you know, grab another clip of rap tees, late night hauls. Just seen some old geezer over here wearing a nice POC, probably 93, 94. Off the back and that shit.
Bro, I actually won. I want to make it a goal that I off the back someone while I'm here.
You missed the shot, bro. That
Yeah,
choppers was
that's what I'm saying. Today there was a kid wearing a West Coast Shopper shirt. And
That's
Mr.
okay, we're circling back for him tomorrow.
Bro, just look how beautiful it is outside. Guys woke us up at 6, so now we're all going surfing. And then I think after surfing, we're finally going thrifting. So let's see how it goes. But bro, what a beautiful morning. 6 a.m. right now.
Alright guys, we are walking around. We're looking for some thrifts right now. We were supposed to get some fruits, but then I told David to just let me out of the car because I'm like, fuck, let me see if I can find a thrift. I just jumped into one of the thrifts really quickly, but didn't find shit in there. Now I'm walking around, hopefully finding some better ones. Like these local spots, like they just have some of the stuff hanging. So let's go find some crazy shit, hopefully. A lot of these kids are wearing like Real Madrid and Barca jerseys and stuff, so I don't think I'm gonna find too many real ones because majority of the ones I see are fake. No, literally, like here, look, see, right above me. It's like a Kobe, Barcelona jersey, I don't even know, or like some CR7 merch. It's gonna be crazy. Even this guy right here. Walk around with Real Madrid shorts. Honestly, the vibe here is really freaking cool. Let's hopefully find some cool stuff. Look who I found.
Find anything or no?
Found a couple 90s shirts, but like nothing too,
Nothing
like
right.
there's like, yeah, it's like the weird, like I found like a yoga shirt with cool tags on it, but like nothing like mind blowing. But expensive though. Some of it, I swear, it's like $4 or $5 for a shirt. Dude, this thrift is ginormous, but it doesn't have a lot of the men's section. I found this early 2000s Phillies jersey. Nothing crazy, but they're asking fucking $13 for it, so I don't understand. I thought it was supposed to be cheaper here. But it's also a jersey, so that's probably why. But I don't even think I'm gonna pick it up for 13 bucks USD. Probably just leave that. David told me the other thrifts are a bit better. This one isn't the best one. I went to another one. It's like a premium center, and honestly, the pieces are just like very mid. So hopefully we can go to like a rag or something like that. I feel like that'd be a lot cooler. All right, guys, we are literally in the dumps right now. It's fucked. I found this kid's polar bear sweater, but like a lot of mids, no grails yet. But bro, it's so hard to look through. It's so hard. Like it's literally like, dude, like they're like, you don't even have a single finger to put through them. It's fucked. It's so fried. I don't know. I might get this one though. It's kind of nice. Look what we got here. Probably the better finds of today. Little 90s Wrangler piece. Bro, I've sold this one before. This one goes for like $1 bill and a bit. Super sick one, fuck. Gotta find more of shit like this. Looking through the button-ups. I wasn't gonna look through the button-ups, but now I'm more encouraged to. I'm honestly not sure how much this even is though, because it doesn't really have a price on it, so hopefully they don't fucking scam me and charge me like $1 billion for it. We're going to another one right now. I ended up getting another Coach purse, but I didn't take a video of that one. Hopefully find some better shit at this next thrift. A lot of shit to look through. A lot of stuff to look through. A lot of mids, but I'm not picking up mids, so we gotta see what's gonna go on. Very crazy here though. Dude, look at the size of that freaking thrift. It's like 10 stories high. Dude, that's so cooked. Bro, if I don't find like a 90s Nirvana shirt in here, I'm gonna crash out so hard. Holy fuck, that's the biggest thrift I've ever seen in my life. Bro, dude, show them, Nick. Starters, don't show them the back. Starters, bang. Show them this one, Sports Specialties. Dude, mush up. Crazy finds. There's so many more too. What the hell is this, cow Carhartt? Oh, this will look good on you, bro. Dude, what the fuck? Finds are not stopping. This is actually crazy. Sports Specialties, 80s. This is the best find of the day. 1960s, good guy. Bro, are you kidding me? Single V, bro. Wow, wow, wow. I already know my true vintage heads are gonna go crazy over this one. This is fucking beautiful. It's around like a $200 sweater. Crazy. The animals are so cute here. Look at this cutie pie. Hi, cutie. The stray dog over there. Super vibes. When I was showing my girlfriend pictures of here, she said it's very similar to the Philippines. The traffic is a bit rough. Like getting from San Salvador back to our villa was like fucking crazy. There's always like some crazy traffic. But yeah, not too bad. I'm actually loving it. We are waiting for one of my El Salvadorian followers to come. I'm doing a little buyout, so it's gonna be crazy. Hopefully I can buy some Carhartt and shit, so we gotta see. I'm excited. Boom, bro. Look at them. 10 Carhartt jackets, Betty, some Orange County, some crazy faded Steelers, Stussy, Beavis and Butthead. Bro, just doesn't stop. Bro, Kanye Kim KT as well. Cooking up, dude, and there's still more people coming. Holy shit. How the fuck am I gonna get this home? That's the question. Guys, look at this. Holy fuck. Holy shit. There's so many pieces, so many bangers. Carhartt after Carhartt, like, dude, Scotland Umbro, brother, are you kidding me? Then we have this. Oh my god, this is gonna fucking suck to take home. Holy shit. Guys, this is crazy. This is fucking crazy. Holy shit. I was gonna do more buyouts, but I'm like, I don't even think I could. I'll have to figure this out, bro. I have to buy fucking carry-ons and shit. Holy fuck. I gotta go figure that out tomorrow because this is gonna be fucking stressful. Holy shit. This is insane. I have to get like 2-3 more luggages. Holy fuck. It's like $125 a luggage. Fuck. It's gonna be crazy. But it's gonna be worth it. Honestly, didn't pay too much for everything, so let's get it figured out. All right, I finally have packed up all this shit, guys. We're fucking heavy. This was like 45 pounds. That one was like 48 pounds. I just kind of like did it a bit under the weight because I wasn't really sure. Kind of stepped on the scale and did like an approximate estimate. So I did a couple of pounds below, and then this was pretty much what was left. I'm probably just gonna throw this in my suitcase. I run like 10 pounds left for my suitcase, so this will definitely be fine. But I bought an extra box that I'm probably not gonna use, but I'm so happy that it only fit in 2 boxes. That means 2 check luggages. I bought 1 check luggage for 125 bucks, but I think my boy, he actually didn't bring a check luggage, so I think this one's gonna be free to send back, so that's fucking lit. Crazy. The little hike ski. My knees are cooked. Oh, damn. Yo, Josh, show them your flip-flops.
Dude, this?
What the heck? Oh, 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 oh. Dude, look how beautiful that is. Holy shit. This is crazy. What the hell? That's crazy. Big bomba cloud waterfall. Ole. Time to swim. Damn. This is crazy, bro. Alright guys, this is the last day at the villa. I'm not sure if I did enough filming for this trip or if I didn't. Realistically, I went thrifting like 3-4 times, which I absolutely loved. Huge buyout. Some of the pieces are super sick. But overall, I'm going to be making a lot more vlogs this year. Let me at least get 1 vlog a week or 1 vlog every 2 weeks. I don't want to promise anything too crazy. A lot of you guys asked me to put a vlog out or like what happened to the vlogs or whatever. So hopefully we'll get that going soon. But overall, El Salvador has been amazing. I was going to do the outro when I got to the airport, but I'm just like, let me just do it now while I'm packing up. I love you guys. Thank you for watching. Stay beautiful. Stay true to yourself. Let's go crazy for 2026. Bye-bye.